Hello everyone, my name is Tabassum Namda and I welcome you to this video. Today we are going to learn about RDBMS, Relational Database Management System. We will understand what it is, why it's important and how it works with tables, keys and SQL. So let's get started. What is database? A database is an organized collection of data. It allows for efficient data retrieval, insertion, and management. Example: a library catalog, student records, and online shopping system. What is a DBMS? DBMS stands for Database Management System. Software used to store, manage, and retrieve data. Example: MySQL, Oracle, MS SQL Server, PostgreSQL. What is an RDBMS? RDBMS stands for Relational Database Management System. Store data in table format with row and columns. Uses SQL to interact with databases. Objectives of RDBMS: efficient data storage and retrieval, minimize data redundancy, ensure data integrity and consistency, facilitate concurrent access by multiple users, provide security and backup features. Importance of RDBMS: backbone of modern information system, reliable and consistent data handling, scalable for small to large application, use in banking, education, healthcare, e-commerce, etc. Key features of RDBMS: data is stored in tables, relationship between tables, use of primary and foreign keys, data integrity constraints, support for transaction. Tables in RDBMS. Tables equals to collection of row and columns. Each row equals to a records. Each columns equals to a field means attribute. Tables have a schema means structure. Keys in RDBMS. There are three types of keys: primary key, foreign key and candidate key. So primary key is a uniquely identifies each record. Foreign key establishes a relationship between tables. Candidate key, composite key, etc. Data integrity in RDBMS ensures accuracy and consistency of data types, entity integrity, referential integrity, domain integrity. Normalization, process of organizing data to reduce redundancy. Break down larger table into smaller related ones. Normal form: 1 normal form, 2 normal form, 3 normal form, BCNF, etc. SQL basics. Structure query language. SQL is a structure query language used to interact with RDBMS. Common commands: select, insert, update, delete, create table, alter, drop, etc. Advantages of RDBMS: data accuracy, easy to use and maintain, better data security, multi-user access, backup and recovery support. So these are the advantages of RDBMS. Real life application: banking system, inventory management, university databases, online stores and websites. Thank you so much.